Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is using Microsoft Excel create an investment cash flow diagram that will have a present growth of 0 using MARR is equal to 12%. The study periods need to be exactly 9 years and which years should have at the least one unique cash flow that is different from the cash flow over the other years. Your answers should contain a table showing the cash flow for each years and a graphical representations of the cash flow diagrams. The correct answer of the question is Microsoft Excel will have a represent which of the 0 using MARR is equal to 12 percentage of the study period 9 years. Open a new Excel workbook and create a new short sheet in cells A1. Enter year as the header of first columns in cell B1. Enter cash flow as the header for the second column starting in row 2. Enter the cash flow forecast each year with positive numbers representing inflow and negative numbers representing outflow. Ensure that each year has at least one unique cash flow that is different from the cash flow over the other year. This is important to ensure that investment cash flow diagram has non-zero represent growth. In cell 1, enter discounts factor. The headers for the third columns in cell 2 enters is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 0.12 A2. The formula will calculate the discounts factor for the first year. Copy the formula down the enter third columns to calculate the discount factor for all years. In cell D1, enter discount cash flow as the header for the fourth column. In cell D2, enter is equal to BC2 as the formula that will calculate the discounting cash flow for the first years. In cell D2, enter copy the formula down the entire fourth column to calculate the discounts cash flow for the years. In cell E1, enter cumulative cash flow as the headers for the fifth columns. In cell 2, enter as sum as D2 to D2 dollars. The formula they will calculate the cumulative cash flow for the first year. Copy the formula down the entire fifth column to calculate the cumulative cash flow for all years. Create a line chart using the data in columns A and E. The will create investment cash flow diagram with the years on the x-axis and the cumulative cash flow on the years y-axis. Format the charts as needed, including adding axis labels and adjusting the scaling. Your table investment cash flow diagram should be now be complete and you can use to analyze the investment present roles. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there an answer session on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.